Hey everyone, it's your girl TK back with another video, and I'm so excited because this is my first unboxing video on my channel. Quick disclaimer, I am not gonna come on here looking crazy, but at the same time, y'all, I'm not aesthetically pleasing of what, what am I trying to say? I'm not one of the girls that's gonna put on, a full face of makeup just to make a video when I know I'm not going anywhere. That's just not me. So if y'all don't like, someone that's regular, just some lashes, maybe my eyebrows, please click off the video. Like I said, I'm not here to be aesthetically pleasing or have this certain look for social media. I just can't do it. So now that's out the way, let's just get into what this video is about, okay? So we have something from Coach. Y'all, this was a surprise. My husband came in here, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, and was like, here you go. And I'm just like, okay. I'm gonna show y'all what he got me first, and then I'll show y'all what he got Callie. It's, oh my goodness. So mine came wrapped like this, as y'all can see. I have funny things. So I was about to open it, I had took the ribbon off or whatever this is, red thing from around, and I was like, oh, let me make a video. Let me put it back on. So I don't even think it came like this, but anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. And this is how it comes packaged. I can see me. So let's take this off. So the first thing I see is this really pretty keychain. This is really pretty. It has the C, and then it has a heart with the Coach logo on it. This is very, then it had an extra ring that has the Coach logo on there. This is really pretty. It's very doable too. This is nice. This is so pretty and nice. I think I'm gonna put this on my keys. My keys need a new keychain, so I'm gonna wait to put that on there. The red scrap with the gold detail on it. It kind of reminds me of one of those skinny belts. And then I'm loving that it have the Coach name on it. Look at it's just a little detail. Y'all probably can't even see it, but it has the Coach name on there. And I just love the detail. The detail of it is so pretty. Y'all, my husband called in the middle of me filming a video, so I don't know where I stopped at. But oh my goodness, look how cute. This is Callie first little bag, but it's not little. It's about the size of mine, if not a little bit bigger. I told her that, I was like, the bag is bigger than her. I know Coach has smaller, the really mini ones, and he's like, they didn't have any. I was like, okay. But oh my God, y'all, this is cute. I want to keep this for myself. And sorry if y'all hear my dog whining. He wants to go outside, but he's not going outside because he doesn't listen. So, but anyway, back to the bag. Look at detail. Oh my goodness. I'm loving the gold detail on this pink bag. Mommy gonna have to borrow this. This is so cute. And hers comes with the strap as well. They kind of got it attached, but it comes with the same kind of strap as mine's. And let's see. I'm not sure what that is, but a little Coach QR tag or whatever. Okay. Yeah, my dog is going crazy. And yeah, it looks the same in the inside of this one as well. So, like I said, it's pretty deep. Like, I could fit a good bit of stuff in there. So yeah, that is our purses. Oh my goodness. Like I said, so cute. So cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing video. If you did, make sure you give it a big like. Comment below what your first, I guess, luxury bag was. I want to interact with you guys in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you know when I upload. And I'm sorry, y'all, my dog is going crazy, y'all. He's about to get it. But again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Boy, now you make me float.